Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. In today's video we will discuss how to set up WAVLINK WS-WN578W2-A Signal Amplifier using the WPS push button. This is the easiest method to set up the WAVLINK extender within 2 minutes without any username or password. If you're looking for the best extender that gives you the perfect Wi-Fi range coverage, then this video is specially made up for you. Whether you're setting it up for the first time or reconfiguring it, this guide makes the process quick and hassle-free. So without wasting any time, let's start the setup process. I hope in the end, this video will prove helpful for you. In the first step, unbox the product box. Inside the box of the WAVLINK WS-WN578W2-A Signal Amplifier, you'll typically find the Wi-Fi signal amplifier unit itself, a quick installation guide/manual, and possibly an Ethernet RJ45 cable to help with initial setup and wired connections. Now plug the WAVLINK WS-WN578W2-A into a wall socket. Wait 1 to 2 minutes until the power LED stays solid. Do not press any buttons until the light is stable. Locate the WPS button on your main router. It may be labeled WPS, Wi-Fi, or have a circle icon. Press and hold the WPS button for 2 to 3 seconds, then release. The router's WPS indicator will start blinking, showing it is ready to pair. You usually have about 2 minutes to complete the next step. Within those 2 minutes, press the WPS button on the WAVLINK amplifier. Hold it for 2 to 3 seconds, then release. The WPS/Wi-Fi LED on the amplifier will start blinking, meaning pairing has begun. Wait 1 to 3 minutes without unplugging or pressing any buttons. When pairing is successful, the blinking light will turn solid. This confirms the amplifier is connected to your router. WPS setup is now complete. If WPS setup fails, bring the amplifier closer to the router and try again. Restart both router and amplifier. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for the more updates.